What's up, guys? Okay, so it is almost the new year, and this is one of the best times of the year to really start growing your business. And why is that, right? Well, typically over the holidays, people have put on anywhere from 7 to 10 pounds. And as we're coming into the new year, we have a ton of people looking to better their lives. And most of them put together some sort of New Year's resolution. And the top two New Year's resolutions are to lose weight and to pay off debt. Now, we have solutions for both, right? And one of the best things that we can do right now is to prepare for success for tomorrow. And one of the ways we do that is really just open the opportunity up to other people to take a look at what we're doing. And for us to do that, sometimes the best way we can do it is to remove ourselves from the situation and to allow others to do the speaking for us. So don't be the tool, but use the tools. And this Tuesday is the very, very, very last Transformational Tuesday we're going to be having until next year. Because of the community center being closed during the last weeks of December, Tuesday, tomorrow, is going to be the day for you guys to invite your friends, your family, those people that you feel are going to do something, whether it be lose weight or pay off debt or whatever it may be, whatever solutions that we can offer. We want to pack the place out. So I'm going to challenge you guys, reach out to 10 people today and tomorrow and just shoot out the invite. And what you're going to find is that if you invite one, you might get one. If you invite 10 to 20, you're probably going to get quite a bit more than one, right? So go out there, make a difference in the world, make a difference in their friends and family's lives, and let's do something this year. Finish the year off with a bang. It's not how you start the race, it's how you finish it. Take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.